Starve 1. What was Sir George Etherege's most acclaimed play? The Comical Revenge. B. She Would If She Could. C. The Man of Mode or Sir Fopling Flutter. D. The Lucky Chance. Explanation. The correct answer is C. The Man of Mode or Sir Fopling Flutter, 1676, is considered Sir George Etherege's greatest play, known for its full-fledged restoration comedy. 2. What distinguished Behn as a writer in the 17th century? A. Political activism. B. Advocacy of mature relationships. C. Imitation of Shakespearean tragedies. D. Exclusively writing tragedies. The correct answer is B. Behn is noted for advocating mature relationships between the sexes in her plays, emphasizing social seriousness within the licentiousness of restoration comedy. 3. Which of William Wycherley's plays exposed moral and sexual hypocrisies of high society with frankness? A. Love in a Wood or St. James's Park. B. The Gentleman Dancing Master. C. The Country Wife. D. The Plain Dealer. Explanation. The correct answer is C. The Country Wife, 1675, by William Wycherley, is known for its portrayal and critique of moral and sexual hypocrisies in high society. 4. What was Thomas Shadwell's contribution to city manners in his plays? A. Pioneering romantic comedies. B. Incorporating Johnsonian urge to instruct through satire. Exploration of historical dramas. D. Advocacy for pastoral lifestyle. Explanation. The correct answer is B. Thomas Shadwell contributed to city manners by incorporating Johnsonian urge to instruct through satire in plays like Epsom Wells and The Squire of Alsatia. 5. In addition to being a dramatist, what was Sir John Vanbrugh's other notable profession? A. Actor. B. Architect. C. Playwright. D. Philosopher. Explanation. The correct answer is B. Sir John Vanbrugh was not only a dramatist, but also an architect. 6. Which of Vanbrugh's plays was a response to Colley Cibber's play, Love's Last Shift? A. The Relapse. B. The Provoked Wife. C. Squire Trelawny. D. The Cuckold in Conceit. Explanation. The correct answer is A. The Relapse, 1696, by Sir John Vanbrugh, was provoked by his skepticism over the hero's reformation in Colley Cibber's play, Love's Last Shift. Who was the first woman to earn a living by writing for the theater? A. Behn. B. The City Heiress. C. Lady Mary Wortley Montagu. D. Lady Mary Chudleigh. Explanation. The correct answer is A. Behn holds the distinction of being the first woman to earn a living by writing for the theater. 8. What was the theme of Sir George Etherege's play, The Man of Mode or Sir Fopling Flutter? A. Political intrigue. B. Youth and age, country and town, male and female. C. Love in a woodland setting. D. Historical drama. Explanation. The correct answer is B. The Man of Mode or Sir Fopling Flutter, 76, revolves around themes of youth and age, country and town, and male and female relationships. 9. What play by William Wycherley portrayed the moral and sexual hypocrisies of high society? A. The Country Wife. B. Love in a James's Park. C. The Gentleman Dancing Master. D. The Plain Dealer.